Hello everyone, this is Advocate Meghana Dhairyawan and I welcome you all to msdlegal. You are watching Know the Law series, and in this video we are going to discuss the cyber threats which are observed in usage of Zoom applications, and what is the India's response to this challenge, and what is the legal mechanism in India. So let us begin with today's topic. We all know presently we are in the we are stuck in the lockdown, and almost we are completing 50 days of lockdown since March 2020, and large number of people are working from home, and the Zoom is the application which is used mainly for conducting the online meetings, online conferences within the office groups, which are largely the private sector employees. Also, the Zoom application is used for the purpose of online teaching, online webinars, then conducting lot of education programs and so on. So let us understand what is the reason behind the Zoom's popularity. It is simple to use, and mainly it is a free platform which is available on Google Play. So the data says in India alone in April there was 131 million downloads from Google Play, which has happened in Indian market as such, and which consists of 18.2% of the total downloads worldwide for the Zoom application. Now we have to understand why it is more popular, and the scale in which it is used. It has almost replaced the lot of popular other applications, and presently widely used even by the government organizations, government departments, both at central and state government level. In India, the company has operations in the name of Zoom Video Communications Private Limited, and Mr. Sanjay Raje is the India head of these operations, and he has already informed that company is looking forward to grow this company operations in India, and they are working closely with governments so that it is used as a official platform for the government as such. Now, the reason for taking today's topic is the major news which are coming in for the Zoom applications. One is it lacks the end-to-end encryption feature, which is very important for the purpose of data security and connection security, which is established within the user groups. Now, because of this lack of this feature, there was a cases observed of Zoom bombing, which is nothing but when the meeting is conducted between the group, the third party intervenes between the meeting, and he displaces or he shares some objectionable data which is not acceptable either on moral grounds or on the legal grounds, and this is nothing but the hacking of the established channel. And not only that, there is another news which is coming from the Cybel, which is a third party cyber intelligence company. So they have also reported in April that the data which is collected on this application by way of user logins, by way of the data which is available on the lot of devices which are attached at the time of meetings, that is your microphone, web camera, mobile, the desktops or the laptops. So all the user information, not only that, whatever is the data exchange during the meeting, the video calls, the media files which are shared, they are also leaked from the servers, and they are being sold on the dark web for less than a 1 pence, which is almost 23 lakhs is the figure that they have reported. Now this Zoom company is based at America, and it is headed by CEO Eric Yuan. He has come forward after this incident reporting, and he has assured the public that they will come up with some solutions for fixing these security threats, and they are already working on developing some patches which will correct all these situation. However, he has admitted that during the calls which are on the hike, they have routed those calls through the Chinese servers, and which has led to the Zoom bombing cases, especially which I know that the Plymouth city in London, there one seminar was being conducted by some fitness studio, and it was on how the children should take care of their fitness during lockdown. Almost 60 children were participating in this conference, and they all were school going children. However, in between this video call, that is the meeting of the Zoom, was hacked and some third party intervened, and there was a video which was run in this meeting which talks about the child sexual abuse, and it has shown the pornographic content during this Zoom meeting. Yeah, and there was a great panic which has created because of this incident, and it was immediately reported to the security agencies. Now the America has also raised a red alert to this Zoom company. However, they have not banned it. In fact, the other companies like Germany, Singapore, Taiwan, they have already banned this application, and it is absolutely restricted for any kind of an use. Now let us understand what is the India's feedback for such kind of an cyber attack and the cyber challenge. Let me tell you, we have an agency which is called is CERT-In, that is Computer Emergency Response Team, CERT of India, that is in. CERT-In, they have reported such kind of a security threat, and they have already issued directions and report, and they have submitted to the Ministry of Home Affairs regarding the unsafe use of this platform, since it is also used by the government offices and various government departments, NGOs, large corporate houses. So they have in response to that, Ministry of Home Affairs has also issued a statement in April itself that this platform is not safe, so it should be minimized and no confidential data should be shared on this kind of a platform. Also, they have appealed to private sector employees to use this as at minimum and only with the proper security scenarios as such. However, irrespective of such guidelines, we have seen the continuation of downloads, increased downloads in May, that is more than 30 million applications, more than 30 million downloads has seen in first week of May. So you can make out how popular this application is. However, the threats which are reported by various news channels and various security agencies across the world is really serious. Now, although India has not banned the usage of Zoom, however, large corporates have stopped using Zoom, and also the similar applications like Google Hangout and all. So we must consider that this is a really different kind of an cyber attack, and as we all aware that in the lockdown period, more and more people are joining the World Wide Web and the various online platforms which are being used. So there are such cases of cyber attacks, and which are called as a cyber crime. And in India, we have cyber law which is called as Information Technology Act 2000, and cases of hacking, that is intervening of other computer network, other computer systems, and theft of the data or the connections and the media files which are exchanged during this such kind of an online platforms are regulated by section 66 of Information Technology Act. And let me tell you, it is a cognizable offence and non-bailable offence, and the punishment which is prescribed is of 3 years and fine of 2 lakhs or both for such kind of an offence. Also, there are other offences which are defined, such as data theft or security features such as digital signatures we have. So if there is a theft or illegal use of digital signatures, even that is prescribed in the Information Technology Act. Recently we have covered video on about the Instagram case, that is boys locker room related offense was recorded in by the Delhi Cyber Police, and we have covered an exclusive video on that which is available on our channel. So I advise you all to watch the same, so you have the better knowledge of this such kind of an laws and how they are reported, how they are investigated as such. So in Instagram case also, the cyber police has taken suo moto action, and the offender was booked under section 67 for publishing obscene content online through online platforms. So it is also a punishable offence for more than 3 years, and the offence is also punishable for 2 lakhs of fine, and in case of repetitive offence there is a punishment doubles, that is of 6 years and the 4 lakhs alternatively. So I advise you to go through that video as well, so you will have the better understanding of the reporting of cybercrime and the cyber law which is there. Of course, this is a very vast topic, and a lot of other cyber crimes which takes place by way of credit card operations, the fraudulent net banking activities, then social media related crimes are also reported by way of anonymous communications, and the personality theft, that is impersonation, which we call. So all those things are covered, and a lot of other videos which are coming up on this channel covering all those topics. So I hope you like this today's video, and I appeal you all to share this with your friends and family, and also subscribe to this channel for more and more such useful content. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.